again. It's a red stick.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So just a really quick one today. So I've had this brand Gelike send me over a few products to take a look at, and guys, these are Hema free. So the brand is Gelike EC Cosmetics. I've had products off these in the past. So they've sent me over some gel polish. They've sent me over these tips, soft gel full cover tips. These are long Coffin. They've got quite a few different tips to choose from, and they are really good tips. I really like them. My best ever, most viewed video ever on my YouTube channel is actually a Gelike gel tips kit when they first ever came out. It's the most viewed video ever on my YouTube channel, that video. So they've also sent a little UV LED, one of them little one fingernail lamps. And it's one of the good lamps as well. It is. It's one of the good little ones, good quality ones. So yeah, today's video, guys, is just a quick, I'm just going to show you what's in this package and swatch some of the gel polishes. So this is the 3-in-1 glue gel. I don't think this is Hema free. There's the ingredients, is it? Oh, I missed it, I can't tell. But I know all their gel polishes are Hema free, and they are really, really affordable. So if anybody's looking for a new brand of Hema free gels to try, yeah, I'd definitely recommend these, definitely. So this is the gel polish set they've sent me this time, and it's just a nude brown gel polish set. 10ml bottles as well. These bottles are nice as well. They're really, really good. They've just got that good quality feel to them. I like that nude. I will use that quite a lot. And these 2 packs of gel polish are what I had got myself previously, and one of them is glow in the dark. So this first one I'm going to show you, these are glow in the dark. Don't know what these little swatch pops are about. They're too big to go on top of the bottles, but I like them. So yeah, look, these are glow in the dark, and again, these are Hema free. They're a 9 toxin free formula, which means it's missing 9 of the toxins regularly used in gels. I'm not going to swatch these because I've already swatched them, so that is all 6 of them. It's like your perfect neon set, isn't it? I really like that corally, pinky orange. So that's them glowing in the dark. And guys, these are good glow in the dark. Some glow in the darks, you get that kind of graininess, powderiness, don't you? But these are actually really smooth. I really, really like them. They're really good glow in the dark gels. And this set is a set of just like standard neons, but this one comes with a glossy top coat and a matte top coat. So these have got slightly different labels. These have just got solid colour labels. The glow in the dark ones are like an ombre label, aren't they? But yeah, I really like these bottles, and they're a really good quality gel. The packaging, the bottles, everything about them. And both of these are Hema free as well. They're vegan, paraben free, cruelty free, gluten free. That's fantastic, isn't it? And if for the price as well, I don't think they're any more expensive than your standard gels. So that's those colours there. They're neon again, but they're slightly different to the glow in the dark neons. The blue's different, the green is different. I think the only ones that are very similar is the pink and the coral, isn't it? But all the others are slightly. I think I prefer the glow in the dark neon set. I prefer the blue and the purple out of the glow in the dark set. Right, so I'm just going to swatch this nudie brown set because I haven't got swatches of it. I need them for my own reference anyway. So yeah, I'm just going to give them a quick swatch. Just going to do 1 coat. This first colour I will definitely use a lot. I use this kind of nude a lot. On a set where I can't use pink as a base colour and I need a nude, that's normally the kind of shade I reach for. The rest of the colours I can't see me using that often, but it is handy to have a set of browns in your collection. Just things like maybe palm trees, trees in general, branches, blossoms, like those blossom branches that people do in summer. Yeah, they're just handy to have, aren't they? I'm just going to let you watch, guys. I'm going to leave links in my description box. And the Amazon links, I'll probably pin them in my Amazon store. Everything will be below as well, and if I can get any discount codes from them, they'll all be in my description box. So yeah, I'll just let you watch for a sec. there we go, guys. That's them all swatched. I mean, as far as browns go, they're not too bad. It's every shade of brown you would ever need. I really like that nude though. I will use that a lot. I wouldn't mind buying a refill of that on its own. I wonder if you can buy these on their own. I'm not sure. But yeah, I do like that first one. I like the bottles. I love the fact that they are Hema free and they're not expensive at all. So quickly, that's the glow in the dark ones again. Love them. And that's like their standard neon set. That's the set that comes with the top, the glossy top and the matte top. So keep your eyes out for tomorrow's video, guys. I'm going to be using the glue gel, the tips and some of these gels in a little set. Yeah, that'll be out tomorrow. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.